How was the question paper of CMAT?
Yeah, it was like, I would like to say, divided among the section. It was easy to moderate difficulty. Yeah. So, like, you have any questions regarding?
Tell me about the quant section. How arithmetic, algebra.
Yeah.
What was the ratio of the topics?
So, if I tell you about the quant section, it was like if I tell about percentage question, time speed decision question, they were a bit easy questions. But what was the thing is like it wasn't complex as well. The approach was direct, it wasn't indirect also. So a person attending who has a strong basics in TSD and percentage, for him the paper was quite easy.
And logical reasoning questions?
Logical reasoning was lengthy, but it was easy. Like I was able to crack all the questions in logical reasoning part especially. So it was a bit of lengthy. Like it took me a lot of time. It never takes a game mock as well, but it was easy. It was an easy one.
And reading comprehension?
Reading comprehension was like there were a total of 2 comprehension, big comprehension which had 3 questions. So those reading comprehension were like first one was really very easy. Second one was between easy to moderate, like more bent towards the easy part. And talking about filling the blanks, they were also moderate. So English section was moderate, fonts was moderate, logical reasoning was very easy, and GK as a talking about GK is always uncertain. You have 200 prepare 200 question, you get like 30 questions correct, you get 10 questions correct, or not even 10.
So overall, are you happy with your performance?
I am not happy with my performance because looking at the cutoff of the colleges, the score we need to get is a lot. And the attempt that I gave, which was around 70 attempts, and I gave a total of 70 attempts. So I am expecting marks of 230, 240 out of it.
Overall difficulty level?
The difficulty level was moderate. It was not that difficult, not that easy. But yes, you should have come prepared, so it would be easier to perform as well. Of course, it depends on how you prepare for the exam, and that's all.
Okay. So according to you, which one was the most difficult and which one was the easiest section?
I think LR was easy, and of course GK was a bit on the side which I was not comfortable with. So I found GK.
Okay. So what was the ratio of the questions? Like was it more on current affairs or on static GK?
Current affairs.
Okay. And overall, how do you feel? It was like moderate, easy, or?
It was moderate.
Okay.
Yeah, it depends on person to person. I found it moderate.
Okay. And was there any question that was you felt that was a surprise element or came out of syllabus?
No.
Any other technical glitches during the exam?
No, I don't.
Okay. How was the exam pattern?
It was fine, but it was comparatively little tough than previous year.
Okay. So which section was difficult and easiest for you?
I think QA was little bit typical and GK was more on difficult side.
Okay. And what about the other two sections, English and DI?
English was fine, and with regard to LR, there were some issues with regard to the questions, like there was misprinting in the questions.
Okay. So did you report it to the invigilators or
Yeah, I
did they
said
take it?
I told about them. Please be fair.
Yeah.
I asked them, so they said just mark the question. Whatever you feel, just mark it.
And can you tell some of the topics of quant and DILR and
In
English?
quant, there were questions on probability, PNC, all of, basically it was from all the topics.
So it was from the expected topics.
Yeah,
Okay.
but it was on little bit of difficult side compared to last year and previous year than that.
Okay.
The part was quite easy. Once was a little difficult, and English was also good. There was only passages which was quite difficult if not practice on time. And, otherwise, the paper was moderate.
So yeah, the verbal ability, QA and LR were comparatively easier than the GK section. In verbal ability, there were 2 passages that were easy, and there were questions related to grammar, and not many so much question like from vocab part. In LR, there were number series, blood relation, arrangement question, 2 puzzles for arrangement. Apart from that, a lot of for decoding and coding alphabeticals. And in QA part, one set was for DI. It was a pie chart, 4 questions containing 4 questions, and the other questions were very easy. And yes, this time the paper has the data sufficiency questions also. And GS in the general GK part, it was like current affairs were more as compared to the static ones. So I think like it is the moderate, not too difficult and not too easy. It was a moderate paper.